Now, a lot of people find it difficult getting into or staying in hypnosis when they're practicing on their own. And this has to do with something the Buddhists call monkey mind. Picture a tree full of agitated monkeys and you'll get the idea. That's what the conscious thinking mind is like. It's very active. And as soon as you close your eyes, you become more aware of just how chaotic your mind really is. You know, thoughts are bouncing all over the place. So you're thinking about things that have happened during the day, and you're thinking about things that are about to happen. And all this mental busyness can effectively prevent you from entering into the state of hypnosis. Now, if your conscious mind is very active with things to do and places to go and people to meet, you'll have a difficult time getting it to settle down. And this is why rapid and instant inductions are more effective for analytical types. They have very busy minds and their thought processes are very quick. They tend to function at hyperspeed. So a rapid induction works best because it bypasses all that mental yammer. It gets them into hypnosis quickly so you can go to work. But with self-hypnosis, it's not an option. You can't do a rapid induction on yourself. So you're pretty much stuck with a relaxation style induction process. And it's very difficult to get all those chattering thoughts to settle down long enough to access the state. So if you find that monkey mind is preventing you from entering into a state of hypnosis, just spend a few minutes doing some tapping before you begin your practice. And tapping's been shown to calm the amygdala of the brain. That's the alarm center that generates the stress response in the body. So if you tap for a few minutes, you'll help to calm down the mind and the body, and this will make it easier for you to let yourself go into hypnosis. Now, instead of trying to stop all the yammering going on, tap on it. Tap on all the worries and all the concerns. Tap on your to-do list. Tap on all the have-tos and the not enoughs and all the rest of the distractions. Whatever's coming up, just tap on it. This will help to settle down the mental busyness so that you can set it off to one side for a few moments so you can practice. Now, the monkeys will still be there. They'll be bouncing around in the tree. That's what they do. But they'll take a place in the background so that you can relax. And this will make it much easier for you to enter into hypnosis.